The National Coronavirus Command Council has decided to enforce a nationwide lockdown for 21 days with effect from midnight on Thursday, the 26th of March.
Cape Town is locked down. Every country and city has been affected by COVID-19, but not all cities are the same. And the very thing that makes Cape Town incredible also makes it vulnerable. This is a city where people gather in places. There's a huge population here that lives in townships or in the streets. Survival is a daily battle, and social distancing is nearly impossible. Lucy G wanted to help the city it loves. The mother city is hurting. We asked ourselves, how can we help? Teaming up with local organizations, Lucy G will dedicate its efforts to creating lockdown kits for families facing difficulties during this time. While adhering to government policy, our staff got to work individually. Each kit will have 3 things. First, a candle making set. When load shedding hits the communities of Cape Town and electricity is lost entirely, these candles will provide a little bit of warmth and a little bit of light. Secondly, each kit will come with a protective face mask. These are homemade by our staff using recycled materials from our cafe. These masks are the first line of defense when combating this virus, and with your help we can make many more. Lastly, each kit will come with a game. The game is called Lockdown, and it was designed specifically by our staff for this kit. Players will have to work together to survive the lockdown. Within the game itself is medical information about the virus, as well as tasks and mini-games that encourage proper hygiene, social distancing, emotional support, and mental wellness. It will even include the dice, an additional game for small children, and a medical information package for parents. As you can see, this kit has been made with a lot of love and care, and we need your support to make more of them. For only 130 Rand or $7 US, you can provide the funding necessary to get one of our kits into a home that desperately needs it. You can give a Cape Town family light, personal safety, and education. This is a lockdown, and we need to help. Please donate today.